Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add photo in Lightroom in order to edit. So it's very simple. All you have to do is follow along and that's it. First thing first, just tap into the Lightroom, and as soon as you open up, it will lead you to the gallery. So there are edit option, community, and devices. So in these devices, Lightroom has access to your gallery and you'll be able to add photo from here. You can choose any photo you'd like. Let's tap into get this one, let's say, and this is how you add. And now you can edit these photos by using all these features, and that is how you add photos in the Lightroom. That's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.